Hello, this is Diganta from Fractions Hub. We'll be doing a number theory problem in this video. I'll be discussing two tips and tricks on how to do this problem quickly. And the concepts that we'll be going to use in this video would be highest power of a prime and infinite descent. So let's dive into the problem. The problem goes as follows. Solve for integers m and n power 2022 equals m times m plus n times plus 2n dot till n plus 2021 n, right? So just looking at this, if you have seen our previous video, you know that we'll try to look at primes and try to check whether left and right hand side gets divided or not. And just see that you don't see any particular solution other than this right now, right? When both are zero, this is true, obviously. Otherwise, when both are one, it is not true. And there's no easy solutions, right? Okay, so let's see. Let us take a prime. P. Say P divides N. Then P divides the LHS, implying P divides the RHS, implying P divides some number of the form P plus Kn, where K is less than this, obviously, right? Okay, so P divides N, so P divides Kn also. So this implies P divides M. Now, say P divides M. Then P divides the RHS, implying P divides the LHS, implying P divides n to the power 2022, implying P divides n. From here, we can see that at least we can guess that claim the power of P which divides M and N must be equal. So you can try to prove this like previous argument, or there's a quick trick, right? So this is a quick trick. The quick trick is as follows. Suppose we have a solution x naught comma y naught to this above equation, right? Then observe that if I divide x naught and y naught both by p, it will still remain a solution. That is, x naught comma y naught is a solution. This implies x naught by p and y naught by p is also a solution, right? When a p is like this, when p divides, for any p which divides x naught and y naught. right? And we have seen that if it's a solution, if P divides X naught, P should divide Y naught, and vice versa. So suppose they have a prime factor P. So X naught and Y naught is a solution. So X naught by P and Y naught by P is again a solution. Sorry. Yeah, this is again a solution. Similarly, X naught by P squared and Y naught by P squared is also a solution, and so on. So as you can see, we can go on like this, and this is a decreasing sequence. So eventually, we can take all such primes of X naught and Y naught. We know that there can be no primes which divides X naught and does not divide Y naught. So we can reduce these things to 1 and 1, right? Ultimately, because if they have a prime, then we go on like this, implying that this should be a solution, which is not. So the only solution can be 0 and 0, right? Because when you plug in 1 here, you see that this is not working, right? Right? And starting with any solution, we should get down to this, because this is again a solution. And the important thing that we are using here is if a prime divides X naught, then it divides Y naught and vice versa. And we construct more and more solutions. That should imply 1, 1 is a solution, which is not. So this is a quick technique by which you can solve and handle this problem and many more. Hope you like it. Thank you.